Every year, 13,000 veterans are diagnosed with prostate cancer, making it the most frequently diagnosed cancer among vets. That's why the Prostate Cancer Foundations and Department of Veteran Affairs are teaming up to battle this deadly disease. Joining us today are Prostate Cancer Foundation President and CEO, Dr. Jonathan Simons, and Navy vet and prostate cancer survivor, Chris Seeley. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Well, thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks.
Dr. Seeley, can you first tell us about why we're seeing prostate cancer so prevalent in veterans?
9 out of 10 veterans are men, and prostate cancer is the second most common cancer in men. 1 in 9 men are going to get it lifetime. Chemical exposures like Agent Orange can increase the cause of prostate cancer. And African American men, which the VA takes care of significantly, have a 2 times higher chance of getting prostate cancer and are actually twice as likely to have an aggressive form. So there's a lot of prostate cancer to prevent and cure in the VA, actually in all of American healthcare.
Now let's move on now to talking about the partnership between the Prostate Cancer Foundation and the Department of Veterans Affairs. Why is that bond so important?
We're so grateful to them during our Veterans Day celebration. Veterans like Chris Seeley here, who served our country. The partnership is about helping those who served our country be first for medical research breakthroughs for prostate cancer, which are coming very rapidly.
Now, Chris, let's talk about your personal connection to prostate cancer.
Well, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer in 2014, and what I discovered in my journey with this illness was that I was completely uneducated about it. I knew nothing about PSA tests or levels prior to my diagnosis. So I'm here to stress with veterans, and for that matter all men and families of men with prostate cancer, to get yourself educated about it. I was very fortunate to get involved with the Prostate Cancer Foundation through a clinical trial that they sponsored with this partnership at the VA, which gave me access to the very latest and cutting-edge precision oncology care. And the result of that is I'm here today to talk about it, as opposed to the unfortunate alternatives of some of the older treatments that are not as effective with the aggressive form of cancer that I have.
Wow, okay. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us this morning. And Chris, thank you for your service. Dr. Simons, nice to have you here this morning.
We would love for veterans in Florida to know that there's a website, pcf.org/veterans, where veterans with prostate cancer can get more information about this very important new partnership.
Thank you to the Prostate Cancer Foundation for sponsoring that segment.